So welcome to this lesson on Tether, also known as USDT. Tether is a type of cryptocurrency called a stablecoin. The stablecoin is designed to maintain a stable value by being tied to a traditional currency like the US dollar or the euro. Tether plays a vital role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, acting as a bridge between the highly volatile world of crypto and the stability of traditional currencies. In this lesson, we'll explore what Tether is, how it works, and why it's so widely used. By the end, you'll understand why Tether is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies and how it fits into crypto investing. Let's dive in and start with the basics. So the first question is, what is Tether? Well, Tether is a stable coin, meaning its value is tied to a traditional currency, typically the US dollar. Here's what that means. It's pegged to the US dollar. So each Tether token or coin is designed to be worth exactly $1, making it stable compared to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. So what's its purpose? Well, Tether provides a way to hold value in digital form without worrying about wild price fluctuations. And so it's widely used. Tether is the most popular stablecoin and is often the go to digital currency for traders, investors, and businesses. In simple terms, Tether acts like a digital version of cash that is stable, secure, and easy to use in the crypto world. So it's very unique in that aspect, but it is the leader of the stablecoin market. So let's quickly run through Tether's history. Tether has an important history that shows how stablecoins became a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency markets. In 2014, Tether was launched as the first stablecoin, originally called RealCoin. In 2015, it was rebranded to Tether and quickly became popular among traders for its stability. From 2017 to 2018, Tether's use exploded as crypto trading surged, making it a critical tool for investors to hedge against volatility. In 2021, Tether surpassed a $60 billion market cap, solidifying its role as the most used stablecoin in the world. Today, Tether remains a leader in the stablecoin market, supporting trading, payments, and access to decentralized finance or DeFi. Tether's history highlights how it has grown to become a backbone of the crypto market. So let's discuss how Tether actually works. Tether operates in a straightforward way that makes it easy to understand and use. So, in terms of backing, every token or coin is tied to reserves held by Tether, which include cash, short term loans, and other assets. This ensures that each coin is equal to $1, maintaining its stable value. In terms of issuance, Tether creates new USDT tokens or coins when users deposit US dollars with the company. Tokens or coins are removed or burned when users redeem USDT for dollars. So essentially, they destroy the coins or tokens they create every time a user then converts that coin back to dollars. In terms of blockchain integration, Tether operates on multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Tron, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain, allowing it to move easily across different platforms. In simple terms, Tether acts like a digital representation of the US dollar that you can use in the crypto ecosystem. And that's what makes it fundamentally so powerful. So, what makes Tether unique? And we've already touched on a couple of these points, but Tether stands out for a couple of reasons. The first is stability. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Tether's value doesn't swing widely. It's designed to always stay around $1. In terms of liquidity, Tether is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies, making it easy to buy, sell, and transfer quickly. In terms of universal acceptance, USDT or the Tether coin is accepted on nearly every cryptocurrency exchange and is used across countless platforms, including decentralized finance and NFT, non fungible token marketplaces. Then the last point is that it's a bridge between traditional and digital finance. Tether helps users move money from traditional banking systems into the crypto world and vice versa. These features make Tether a vital tool in the crypto ecosystem for traders, businesses, and individuals alike. So let's quickly discuss the uses of Tether. Tether has a wide range of uses that make it essential in the crypto market. The first is around trading. USDT, or the Tether coin, is widely used for buying and selling other cryptocurrencies, which provides stability in a volatile market. The second is hedging against volatility. So investors move funds into Tether during market downturns to protect their value. The third point is around payments and transfers. So Tether allows for fast, low cost payments across borders without needing traditional banking systems. And the fourth point is around decentralized finance, or DeFi. USDT, Tether's coin, is used in decentralized finance applications for lending, borrowing, and earning interest. And then the final point is around remittances. And a remittance is essentially when you send money back home. So if you moved from one country to another, then it's you sending that money back home to your family. Well, Tether is ideal for sending money internationally due to its stability and speed. Its versatility is why Tether is one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. So let's discuss Tether and the role of stablecoins generally. Stablecoins like Tether have transformed the cryptocurrency landscape by providing stability and convenience. Remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum are not really stable currencies, but these guys like Tether and some of the other stablecoins are. So the first point is around being an anchor in volatility. Stablecoins offer a safe place to hold value during periods of extreme market fluctuations. The second is facilitating transactions. Tether simplifies trading and transfers, making it a key tool for crypto exchanges and wallets. The third is global accessibility. Tether is used worldwide, providing a digital currency alternative to traditional banking systems. And then the fourth is enabling DeFi growth. Stablecoins like Tether are critical for decentralized finance applications, which allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest without leaving the crypto space. Tether's ability to provide stability and liquidity has made it a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency market. And remember, providing liquidity is essentially being able to transfer cryptocurrency from crypto to dollars. So having that ability and being able to do it quickly. So buying and selling your cryptocurrency. So I just want to quickly compare Tether to Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're three very different cryptocurrencies. Tether serves a very different purpose compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The first point is around stability versus volatility. So Tether maintains a stable value while Bitcoin and Ethereum prices can swing wildly. The second point is around the purpose. While Bitcoin is a store of value and a digital alternative to gold, Ethereum, on the other hand, is a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications. And then there's Tether, which is a stable digital currency for trading and for transactions. In terms of energy efficiency, Tether doesn't require energy intensive mining, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then finally, in terms of the practical use cases, Tether is more about utility, so trading and payments, rather than investing, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are often held for long term gains. So you might be wondering, how safe is Tether actually? Well, Tether is widely used, but it's important to understand its safety. In terms of advantages, its stability protects against market volatility, and it's also widely accepted, making it easy to use and transfer. In terms of best practices, only use Tether on trusted exchanges and wallets, and we've already covered some of the main cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Then the other point is diversify your crypto holdings to reduce potential risks. Tether is a reliable tool for many crypto activities, but it is important to use it wisely and always stay informed. So, if you're considering investing in Tether, there's a couple of things that you should know. The first is around the purpose. Tether is not meant for price appreciation. It's designed to maintain a stable value of $1. So, if you buy Tether, make sure not to have any expectations that the price is going to go up because odds are the price will stay at around $1 equivalent. The second point is around the use cases. So Tether is actually ideal for trading, stability, and accessing decentralized finance opportunities. In terms of where you can actually use it, it's available on nearly all major crypto exchanges and platforms. And Tether isn't a traditional investment, but rather a tool for navigating the crypto ecosystem effectively. So that's how I suggest you look at it, that it's not, again, an investment, but it's a way to navigate the complexity and volatility of the crypto markets. Okay, so to sum up, Tether is a stablecoin that has become a cornerstone of the crypto ecosystem. It provides a stable, reliable digital currency for trading, payments, and accessing decentralized finance. Tether's role as a bridge between traditional finance and digital finance makes it indispensable for traders and investors. So, whether you're using Tether to trade, hedge, or to make payments, it's a key part of the crypto landscape. Thanks for joining me on this lesson about Tether. I encourage you to explore how stablecoins like Tether can enhance your crypto journey, and I'll see you in the next lesson.